I will show you how to download or get access to YouTube Studio for Mac. I'll be using Mac with M2 chip. So let's go to the browser. Over here you can find my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Now click on the YouTube video. These are the YouTube videos of my channel. Select the browser and drag it to the desktop. Then you can open a new window and search for YouTube Studio logo with a transparent. So here I have selected one of them. Right click and save image as. Here I will be saving image on the desktop. So let's give a name YouTube Studio logo 1. Okay, click save. Once done, then you can go to this is the URL we dragged from the website. So right click and go to the info. Now on the info, this is the logo over here. So simply drag this logo to the info and then close this one. Now here you can see this is the channel which has changed from URL with the logo of YouTube Studio. Double click and this way it will open up your channel. I hope through this video you learn how to get access to YouTube Studio on MacBook. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon button to be updated with my new videos.